How to cancel the requirement of friend requests on WeChat account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can cancel or turn off require friend requests on WeChat. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first steps first, you'll need to make sure that you have the WeChat app and you need to have the latest version of WeChat app. After you do have that, you can open it up. And after you open it up, you should log in into your account as well. After you logged into your account, you'll need to head over to the Me section that is on the bottom right. And there you will find an option that is called the settings. Head over to settings. After you're on your settings, you will see a lot of different options here, such as guardian mode, your message notification, general settings. The one we want to focus on is the friends permission right here. It's right under privacy. So tap on friends permission now, and after you tap on it on the top, you will see require friend request. Now to turn it off, it's really easy. Simply toggle the button off and you're good to go. And that is how you can cancel the friend request requirement on WeChat. Thanks for watching guys. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos and bye bye. Take care.